going to talk to you about troubleshooting why your printer isn't working. We've been through the basic steps of making sure the power cable and USB cables are connected to our printer, and we've also made sure that the proper drivers and software are installed on our computer. Everything seems to be okay, but it still doesn't print. One very common problem is that the cartridges could be out of ink. And a couple ways to tell if you're out of ink. Some printers come with software on your computer that will tell you what your ink levels look like. And some printers actually provide tools and indicators on the printer to let you know when you're getting low on ink and when you're out of ink. So two options for what you can do when you find out that you need to replace your cartridge or that you're out of ink is you can buy a new cartridge, which is usually very expensive and not really cost effective. You could also buy refill kits for your printer. These allow you to refill your ink cartridges a number of times for about the same price as buying a brand new cartridge from your manufacturer. When refilling cartridges, some printers have little mechanisms that don't know that you've actually refilled your cartridge. They think that you're still putting an old used one back in. Usually refill kit manufacturers sell tools for these kinds of printers that will make the ink cartridge be tricked into thinking that it's brand new even though you've just refilled it.